In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Revo Uninstaller Pro on your Windows PC. Let's get started. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe to Tech Install, and turn on notifications so you never miss another software installation guide.